up, homie. I'm just with you through the storm. I'm tryna go as far as this life don't take me. They don't like to see me strong, so they try to break me.
What to do, YouTube? It's your boy SOM Solo Mirror back here again with another motherfucking vlog. As y'all can see, it is currently 4:52 in the morning right now. I'm finna get ready to start my car, warm it up, and get ready for work. I'm sorry for the bad quality right now. It's dark outside because, of course, it's 4:42. But man, today we gonna be vlogging all day, a daily vlog. I got something coming for y'all, as you can see in the title. We're gonna be doing vlogging. We're gonna be vlogging all day, and I'm gonna be dropping the whip off today for to get the engine swap. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on when I'm on the way to work and when I pull up to work. I'm out. Alright, YouTube. I'm in the car right now. The car is done warming up. The heat blasting, feeling real good. I'm finna head to work. I'm gonna turn y'all back on when I get to work. Alright, YouTube. Sorry if y'all ain't be able to hear me like that. It's real loud in here, but yeah, this is my job right here. This is what I do every day. Ain't no trucks in here though right now to be able to show y'all exactly what I do, but this is what the warehouse look like. Got these big ass doors. I'm coming down here so I can try to charge my phone if it's a charger down here. Ah, damn, somebody took the wire. Dang. I'm gonna turn y'all back on when everybody get in here. What to do, YouTube? We at work right now. I'm currently in the car, finna go drop this bitch off so we can get the bitch swapped. I'm gonna turn y'all back on when I get to the shop. Alright, y'all. We're on the way to the shop right now. Go drop the car off so we can get the engine swap. I'm doing a 5.7 swap. I already got a 5.7, but I just bought a newer engine with less miles or whatever. And I'm putting them shorty headers on. I'm gonna get my cats cut and I'm gonna run 3-inch pipe straight down the back, straight pipe. And that shit gonna be so loud, like that shit gonna be pushing power. I'm telling you. Get a smooth Diablo tuner. I'm gonna probably do some RIP supercharged coil packs. I know I heard about that. Of course, the cold air intake. It's just gonna be a whole different car when it get done, and I can't wait to show. Like, I'm real excited right now. Get this thing right. We're gonna do all the performance mods first, and then we're gonna go on the outside of the car. I'm just telling y'all now, man. This project gonna be a whole another ball game. Like, I don't think nobody in the city gonna be fucking with me type shit. RT wise, 5.7 and shit, for real. I'm gonna be pushing almost scat. You wanna be real, like with all them performance mods I just said, I'm gonna be pushing 450 easy. I'm at 385 right now, probably like 390 right now with the pedal commander. So yeah, man, I'm gonna turn y'all back on when we get to the shop. All right, YouTube, we at the shop right now, man. I'm gonna drop the car. I think this engine right here. That's the 5.7 engine right there. Oh, yeah. That's the there go the engine, y'all. Ooh, this thing looking good. That bitch look cleaned up. Man, it do. Yeah.
Oh, okay. You leaving the car?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I got the headers in the back seat right now.
In the back seat. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Good deal.
And I got another question. So them headers are 640 headers, right? So and I know they can fit for sure, but I don't know like with the exhaust wise. Like, do you do like exhaust? That motherfucker is loud. Damn! That motherfucker loud. I ain't gonna hold you like that shit kinda scared me. I ain't gonna.
That thing shit scared me when I cut it off.
Yo!
That thing loud,
Man, my reaction gotta be a 10 out of 10, like, bro. 20 out of 10, bro. Like, that shit so loud. Oh my God. YouTube. Bro. Damn. I can't wait to have her back on the street, y'all. Y'all already know. I'm gonna turn y'all back on when I get done. Here go the old engine, by the way. Old engine. Okay. Old engine, new engine in. Yes, sir.
Hey. Hey, I brought down the total here because we didn't need that many parts for it.
Yeah.
So it came up. It's actually gonna be 1689.
All right.
Difference. So it came down to
this 17 right here.
Okay.
So
I'll give you 11.
just count it, yeah, and just give me.
Tell me your last name.
Locklear, L-O-C-K.
Okay, hold on. Locklear, right?
Yeah.
And the first name?
Kwame.
Q.
KQ.
KQ.
U.
KQU.
A.
MERT.
Yeah. But everything
Everything perfect.
good? Okay.
Heater, nice, everything good.
I bet.
So what is it? 704, right?
Yeah, 704.
704.
Wait, no, it's 90 though.
Alright, y'all. As y'all can see, we got the boat back. Just spent a smooth ticket to get this shit right. Unfortunately, tomorrow we gotta drop her off to go to multi mufflers to go get a straight pipe. We're gonna go 3-inch or 2.75 inch straight back from the headers straight back. So we're gonna see how that go. But don't mind how it look. It's dirty as hell. We're gonna get her cleaned up by the end of the week. But I'm gonna let y'all hear how it sounds. I got the headers and no catch right now, so we're gonna see how this shit sounds. Alright, y'all, I'm in the car. I'm gonna give y'all a little cold start right quick and then go sit in the house for a couple minutes. It's kind of cold out here. But yeah, man, I doubt if y'all can hear me, but I'm gonna go back in the house. I'm gonna turn y'all on when I get to the muffler shop. Yeah, man, we here in the shop right now. Got her right there. I'm gonna sound good. I can't wait to hear how it sound with the exhaust on it. This shit look good. Sitting right. But yeah, man, I'm gonna turn y'all back on when the dude get out his car to talk to me or whatever. I got it done. Appreciate it, man. Hey, here go the key. We finna see how it sounded, man. Finna crank it up. it back to the crib, safe and sound. It's raining, my damn wheels slick as shit, so I really couldn't do no crazy pulls right now. But I'm gonna give y'all a little sound check with the exhaust. Sounding good. Nah, man, I'm gonna turn y'all. Well, no, I ain't gonna turn y'all off right now. Later, I'm gonna go put my old wheels back on. I'm getting tired of these silver shits. I'm finna black my whole car out, take all that red shit out, whatever. But yeah, that's the plans for later. I'ma go put my old wheels on there. I was gonna clean her up today, but it's fucking raining. It'll be pointless, and then I gotta go back to work tomorrow, so that'll be pointless. I'll just clean her up tomorrow when I get off. But yeah, man, today so far has been a successful day. The car sounds good, and I'm liking how it sounds. I'm liking how I feel. The power, you could definitely feel the power. We got a whole bunch of mods left to do to this car. This shit gonna be pushing. Y'all think I'm playing? Scats, I'm coming for y'all fucking neck. Like, if I'm not mistaken, like 2 weeks ago, I went to go try to get an SRT Jeep, man, and they was bullshit with me, man. They wasn't trying to let me get, so fuck it. I'm coming for them motherfucking scats, and I'm gonna show y'all what this 5.7 can do. But nah, man, I'm gonna turn y'all on later when I go get my wheels and shit changed, my rims changed, my wheels, everything, so I can be pushing for real. But yeah, man, I'm at the crib. I'm gonna turn y'all back on when I get back outside. I'm out.